Hi everyone, welcome back to Dr. KK's channel. Today we will start AWS Cloud Service Provider.
Okay, let us start with the Amazon Web Services. So AWS. So AWS is nothing but it is a collection of web services. Collection of web services. Collection of web services. We have together. Okay, so we have EC2, S3, SQS. So these are all the very important topic in the Amazon Web Services. They are mostly central and they are very popular one in the cloud service provided. Why? Because now because of their security, because of their resources, and because of their availability, these people are very popular. This Amazon EC2 is a computing services, and Amazon SQS and S3 they are support services. Okay, so EC2 is a computing services. SQS and S3 means is nothing but a simple storage services. Storage services. We want to store some of the data, na? We will make use of this Amazon S3, and these two people are support services, and these services are providing a very large capacity of, we cannot imagine such kind of capacity these people are offering to us, and that offering storage is also very fast and they are very cheap. Okay, this Amazon people. So where these data centers are located in n number of places all over the world, London, Dublin, St. Louis, Hong Kong, Singapore. So n number of places this Amazon Web Services are located. This is one of the very important diagram which explains about the AWS, EC2 and S3. Okay, these are the supporting services. S3 is the supporting services, and cloud computing services of AWS is EC2. EC2 is nothing but Elastic Compute Cloud. So Elastic Compute Cloud covers the machine images on demand instances. So these are all the offers offered by the AWS in the EC2. So it comes under the IaaS, Infrastructure as a Services. This is one of the very popular in the current market. This offered by the AWS. Okay, so here it is a very huge infrastructures where any company, any n number of storage can be done, business dealing can be done with the help of this services. Really, they provide a very good computing environment. That is a very true virtual computing environment provided by the AWS through this EC2. Okay, so we shall see these are all the very important point to be discussed for the EC2. So when we are having this kind of services, cloud computing AWS services, what is the main offer? What they will mainly enable, na? They will mainly enable the instantiate the virtual machine. Okay, so through any web services interface, what the customer can do, na? What according to your capacity, you will need one capacity, na? You are one of the company of the boss, and you want to establish one of the data center, or you want to increase the server in your company. So according to your criteria you will change the capacity and you will change the virtual machine characteristics. So based on that we can demand this AWS to their EC2 web services interface, so that these people will provide and satisfy our desired resources with the help of this virtual machines or instance server. How na? By booting this Amazon Machine Imaging, AMI. It's a very important term which will help us to create the instantiated by the user. So what is this AMI? What this contains, na? Very important thing. Very important necessary informations. When we would like to create an instance, that time we need all the informations which will help us to create that particular instance. Those are all dumped into this in the format of AMI, and this is in a graphical user interface. Point and click. See here, we can have any interactions between this AWS EC2 in a API or a framework environment, which will help us to support in a very simple object access protocol and query request. Very simple, very simple objective access protocol. And suppose we want to have any programming libraries like Java, PHP, Python, Ruby, Windows, .NET, any programming languages also we want to have the resources as an interactive session with this help of AWS. Definitely these people are providing us with the particular environment. And apart from that, by using the Zen hypervisor and different instance types like micro instance, high memory instance, high CPU instance, cluster compute instance. So here these are all the listed one where we can have according to their suitable scenario. Suppose if you have any applications with a high throughput, which one you can prefer? High memory instance. So likewise, according to the scenario, what kind of applications you people are preferring, we can have that particular instance which are provided by the standard instance through the AWS. Okay, so these are all the various instances provided by the AWS EC2. So not only on that particular instant, they are providing us in a hourly basis. So how many hours you want? 4 hours. How many GB? 8 GB. Okay, no problem. So in that basis also they are providing the instance. And suppose if you want to reserve it in earlier and you want to make use of that one in a discounted rate, so that also these people are providing AWS EC2, and these are all called the spot instance. Okay, so here apart from that, this spot price means current how much spot price you are using the resources, and that alone will be provided, and this will help the user to reduce the cost. Okay, so and these are the spot price are decided by the company. So company only will decide all these things. Okay, and this may vary. The spot price may vary according to the resource usage and service level agreement and the policies or the standard followed by the company. Why? Because they are available in various locations and the various regions. They are various zones are they are available. So according to that, the price will be differ. Okay, so here whatever the availability zones are there, and based on that, they will provide what kind of network connectivity, what kind of expensive, what kind of availability in the particular region. So based on that, this Amazon AWS people will provide that, and they are providing this in the multiple locations. So this will help us to lead one of the big merit. What are they? Fault tolerance and failover reliability. Okay, so we will face only the less fault. Okay, and we will have the reliability. Reliability will be there in the Amazon EC2.